A fancy back like this in your niche, and it's a glass tile and it chips easy, you do it first and then you cover it. You cover that chip with your tile, you know, going there. It covers that chip, so you don't have to cut it with water and all that carry on, because it covers anyway. That's if you do it first. That's just the tip for not today, this afternoon. I just turned off my radio so I don't get done for copyright, for God's sake. All good. Right, we're doing the aluminium. You always cut the same way, so you're not moving your saw all the time. The hacksaw, piss the hacksaw off. The hacksaw, use a miter saw. This cost, I don't know, 130 bucks, Australian dollars. You know, cheap. I use it every bathroom. Does all my miters. Bang on. It's quick. Oh, breathing in stuff. It's fast, accurate. Bottom. What's that one? It's rubbed off. Doesn't really matter. Must be the top anyway. It's shorter. That one will do for there. Oh! I'll have to get my masking tape out, probably, to help hold the suckers. But doing them by hand, you know, that went out years ago. DIYs. Use a miter saw. If I have to take a little bit off that one, I will. That's nice. Or it's just a little bit tight. Take a little bit off, Chryso. Just a smidgy ditch. See how I always have my timber? It stops cutting my fingers off. Because you're able to hold it properly, and it doesn't, or if the saw does kick back, you're holding it nicely with a bit of timber. Then when I've got this, like that, I'll measure my uprights. And that bottom one's just a little tight. Don't struggle with it, just take a little bit more off. It doesn't matter if you're a mil short, smaller, doesn't matter. It don't matter. Now that's nice. Okay guys, I'll just cut my uprights. You always put your uprights in first and then you fit your top and bottom. You put a bit of slope on that so the water drains off, and you're hunky-dory. Bloody beautiful, eh? Look at this. That's quite nice. Yeah. Nice. Anyway, yeah. Cool. Oh. Okay, see you soon. Stay tuned.